Good afternoon all. I'm going to demonstrate how to do a traditional stitching method fold for an 85% hydrated sourdough bread. So I'm just going to prepare the table, a little bit of dusting flour on it so the dough doesn't stick. First stage is just put the dough down, pull it, fold it over 3/4, pull, overlap, flatten down. I'm going to take the edge, lift and pull, and I end up with a really nice little envelope. So I'm going to take here, pull, overlap, 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 overlap. Then I'm going to press out with my hands, catching from behind, push. Then with my thumbs, I'm going to fold in, touch in. Okay. I'm just going to drag the dough towards myself just to firm up. Okay, you can see there's lots of tension in the dough. Nice bit of tension. And pop it into the banneton. Okay. So we're going to do the next one. Just getting a bit of rye flour to grease the banneton. And start again. So this time a little bit faster. Bed goes down. Fold it over 3/4. Pull. Stretch. Fold. See, stretch. Down, so it's completely enclosed. So these little edges here, I'm just going to pull. Move across, cross, 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 and flatten out. So it's important to lift the dough off the table. I teach this when I'm doing pastry. The dough should always be like an ice hockey puck, especially when you're moulding it. It should never stick to the table. So I'm getting the tension built in here. I'm bringing my thumbs down, fold, hold. Okay, you can see the tension building up on the loaf. So again, I'm just going to put a little bit of rye flour on the table. I'm going to roll it in it. Put it into the banneton. One final time. So go flat. Fold. See, roughly 3/4, pull, overlap, stretch. So you can see it has two little wings here. Pull, flatten down, stitch. So this builds in a lot of tension into the dough. It's very highly hydrated. It's 85%. So I fold that over and I push it down. And then I'm bringing my fingers, I'm just bringing it here, sorry, my thumbs from the back. I'm pushing the dough back in. So I'm building up, I'm coiling the tension into the dough. And then I'm just going to pull it towards myself. Tighten up that tension even more. Again, just going to roll it in a little bit of rye flour. I'm going to pop it in the banneton. So there you go. 3 loaves, 85% hydration, and that is my stitching technique. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.